Good afternoon, boys and girls. I'm so excited to see you again. It's time for science. We are continuing on with our science unit that is all about leaves and trees. We started this week by introducing some new vocabulary words like the word tree and the word leaves. What we started talking about yesterday was the parts of a tree, the different things that are on a tree that help it grow and help it stay alive over years at a time. We started with new words like crown, words like trunk, roots, and then even different words again like leaves. So we used a diagram like this to help us learn the vocabulary that goes with parts of the tree. And then you guys got to go into Seesaw and you got to label the different parts of the tree. So today we're going to review those words, but also talk about them and why they are important. So we're going to start at the bottom of the tree. The bottom of the tree has these things that we call roots. The roots are actually under the ground. Most of the time, we can't see the roots. Every now and then, you can see the tip tops, the roots of the tree. But most of the time, they are under the ground, and they look like hundreds of spider webs all underneath the ground, spread in all different directions, and they're very tightly wrapped up in the dirt and the mud. The roots are very important because the roots are what hold the tree into the ground. So it's kind of like us planting our feet on the ground. When the wind comes, the wind might blow us a little bit and move us around. Like the wind will move the leaves and the branches on the tree. But the roots are what hold that tree in the ground and they don't let it move away. So the roots are really important. They hold the tree into the ground and then they help get nutrients and water to the top of the tree. So the next part of the tree, if we travel up the tree from the roots, we have this thing right here, which you guys I'm sure see a lot of, we call the trunk. The trunk is the big round wooden part of the tree. The trunk acts like a straw. If you were to have a cup of milk and you drink from the straw, the trunk is kind of like that. The roots will pick up water and nutrients from the ground, and the trunk will drink it up, just like a straw. And the trunk will take that water all the way up to these many, many, many different little sticks that we call the branches. The branches are kind of like the arms of the tree. On the branches, the leaves grow, and the leaves are what give our tree beautiful color. When we talk about branches and leaves and we put them together, that's called the crown. So the tree is really, really important. The tree has the roots, which hold the tree still. They don't let it fly away. The roots also drink up water and nutrients from the ground. The trunk acts like a straw. It sucks up all the water and nutrients and delivers it to our branches and our leaves. And when we talk about the branches and the leaves together, it's the crown of the tree. It's the head of the tree. Just like the queen might wear a crown, the trees, leaves and branches at the top, this beautiful part that people love to stop and look at, it's the crown. All right, you guys, so isn't that amazing? Our trees, these plants that might look very, very simple. One, they are alive. They're very much so alive. But two, there's so many different parts of them that are important. And we get to learn about them to know how we can plant trees and best take care of our environment. So there are some activities for you on Seesaw to continue to help you to learn the different parts of the tree. You guys can watch it, work on the activities with your parents, and I'll see you guys soon.